Hello again, it's Matt Eaton with lightingwarehouse.com. We're here today to talk to you about Bistro String Lights, and we've got an installation that we're going to be doing using a line voltage version of our Bistro String Lights. Bistro String Lights are available in both line voltage that plug directly into your 120 socket that we have located on the bottom of the soffit here on the home. And we also sell the same product in a low voltage or a 12 volt version that's available on lightingwarehouse.com. Basically plugs into a low voltage transformer and again can be controlled just like the rest of your outdoor low voltage lights. But today, as I said, we're doing a line voltage install. The cord is the same. It's the same cord we use for line voltage versus low voltage. The only difference is the bulb itself. We sell a variety of bulbs. This particular one is an S14 bulb, and this is a 120 rated bulb, so it can withstand that line voltage that we're going to put to it during this installation. Whereas if we were doing a low voltage version, we would use the low voltage version of this product. Now, it's important to note that when we sell this product, this Bistro String Light product on lightingwarehouse.com, it is sold, the lamps or the bulbs are sold separately to the actual cord. The cord comes in 48 feet as well as 96 feet. So in this particular application, we're only going to need the 48-foot cord. The sockets are spaced 2 feet apart. So if I've got 48 feet for my cord, I would have 24 bulbs. If I order the 96-foot cord, then I would need twice as many, or 48 bulbs, to fulfill that entire run. We are doing a zigzag pattern on this particular installation, so we're going to have 4 locations where we've installed an eye bolt on this particular home on the soffit, and we're going to zigzag the cord back and forth in approximately 15-foot runs. So we're not going to need the easy install kit that actually we do sell, that comes with your guide wire and all of your turn pulleys and additional hardware that's required when you're running longer runs. If your runs are longer than 40 feet, we recommend using the install kit, because what this does is it provides the support to your cord so it doesn't sag and end up being an obstruction for your outdoor space. So again, with that, we're going to get started and get these eye bolts installed on this install, and we'll be back to show you more. We've got our last zip tie installed. As I said earlier, we were doing a zigzag configuration on this particular installation. We've got our runs that are roughly 15 feet, so we didn't have to use our install kit. However, if our runs are longer, we would use those installation kits. There are other installation techniques or patterns that you can find when you go to lightingwarehouse.com and reference the Bistro String Lights category page. There's multiple configurations that we've got handy guides to help you with those configurations and the installation techniques associated. On this particular installation, as I mentioned earlier, we were using eye bolts. We have 4 eye bolt locations. This final one didn't land on where our 4-inch drop on the socket is, which actually has the zip tie connection piece on it. So we went ahead and just zip tied and crisscrossed our zip ties to where they're cinching down on one another and it won't actually pull away. All right, guys, we've finalized our installation of the Prime Patio Bistro String Lights here at this installation. We've done so with a zigzag pattern with 4 eye bolts to the soffit of this home. This is the 120 product that is basically just a plug into the 120 socket in the soffit of the home. This product is also available in a 12 volt version that is plugs directly into a transformer. All of the different techniques for installation, including zigzag and other patterns, can be found on the Bistro String Lights category page at lightingwarehouse.com. Thanks for joining us, and look forward to seeing you on the next install.